All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. So poke around. Poke around. Yeah. Look in an area. Poke around. Yeah. I will poke around the park. We poked around the city and had a look. We had a poke around. What's over there? What's over here? What's this? What's that? I will poke around there tonight. Yeah. She is having a poke around in the park, for example. Looking around. What's over there? What's this? What's that? Yeah. How cool is that? They can poke around with me. Yeah. They should not poke around here. They should mind their own business. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. We poked around the park. Okay. We poked around the park. Yeah, okay. We poked. We poked around the field. Yeah, we might have a poke around in the city next time. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, poke around the city. What's over there? What's over here? What's this? What's that? Yeah. We're just having a poke around. We're just having a look around. No problems. Just looking here, looking there. I enjoy to poke around the city because things then are, well, because you never know what you might discover. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. The plan is to have a poke around first, just having a look around, having a poke around in the area before we decide where to buy. We will have a poke around in the area before we decide where to buy. Yeah, just poke around here, over there, what's this, what's that, and then decide where to buy. Poke around first and then decide where to buy. Yeah. Get to know the area by poking around. Get to know the area by poking around. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use poke around in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy by searching for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.